Hi everyone, welcome back to table topic practice video. And the table topic is what is the most sensible thing you ever heard someone say? What's the most sensible thing you have ever heard someone say? The most sensible thing that I have heard uh, the recent history is that when I was meeting someone and that person is the CTO in some firm in a startup, and while talking to him, he said one thing and that really clicked me. That he was talking about the project, getting the projects from different companies, and he told me that one of his friend uh, told him that he whatever he will do, he will never compete against he will never compete with other IDNs. Like he will never compare himself with other IDN. So that was the one thing that stuck to me. Most often what happens is that we always try to compare ourselves with someone else. We try to see that our life is not better, their life is better. We are not uh, we are not ahead in life. We just try constantly comparing ourselves with other person. So that's the thing that I have heard. If I talk about uh, uh, second thing, I think this is it. This is the one of the good thing that I've heard someone and really clicked me, and I truly abide by it. And after that, I've decided that I will also not compete with others. I will keep reminding myself that yes, you are unique, and so yeah, over to you. Thank you.